Pick up your phone, look at the time. That number feels solid, reliable, like it's been the same forever. But in 2022, something happened that almost nobody noticed. Earth spun faster than it ever had since we started measuring it precisely. Not slightly faster, record-breaking faster, and nobody fully knows why. Let's back up. You probably know that a day is 24 hours, but that number isn't locked in. It never was. A day is just how long it takes Earth to spin once. And that spin isn't perfectly constant. It speeds up, it slows down, it wobbles slightly, and scientists have been measuring it with extraordinary precision for decades. Here's what they found. For most of human history, the assumption was simple. Earth's spin is slowing down over time. The moon's gravity is pulling on us like a brake, very gradually, stretching each day by a tiny fraction of a second per century. That's true. Over millions of years, the day gets longer. But zoom in closer. Look at what's happening right now in our lifetimes, and the picture gets stranger. Starting around 2016, Earth began spinning faster than expected. Not by much, we're talking fractions of milliseconds, but in the world of precision timekeeping, that's enormous. Then, on June 29, 2022, Earth completed a full rotation in 1.59 milliseconds, less than 24 hours, the shortest day ever recorded since atomic clocks became precise enough to measure it. 1.59 milliseconds. You can't feel it. You can't see it. But it was real, and it broke a record. Now, here's where it gets genuinely puzzling. Scientists don't agree on what caused it. There are several theories, and none of them alone fully explains what's happening. The first theory involves the oceans. Ocean currents shift constantly. When water moves, it redistributes mass across the planet. And when mass moves, it affects how fast the planet spins. The same way a spinning figure skater speeds up when they pull their arms in. The second theory involves the atmosphere. Air pressure systems move enormous amounts of mass around the planet. Changes in atmospheric circulation could nudge Earth's spin one way or the other. The third theory goes deeper, literally. Some scientists point to the Earth's molten core. The liquid iron spinning at the center of our planet isn't perfectly synchronized with the surface, and subtle shifts in that inner motion could influence how fast the outer planet rotates. The fourth theory involves ice. As glaciers melt, mass that was concentrated near the poles redistributes toward the oceans. That changes the planet's moment of inertia, again, like the figure skater, and could spin the Earth up or slow it down depending on where the water ends up. Most likely, it's some combination of all of these. The planet is a system, and all these systems talk to each other. But here's the practical consequence nobody expected. The world runs on atomic clocks. GPS satellites, financial transactions, internet infrastructure, power grids, all of it depends on timekeeping accurate to the nanosecond. To stay synchronized with the actual spinning Earth, scientists occasionally add a leap second to global time. They've done it 27 times since 1972. But if Earth is spinning faster, we might eventually need to do the opposite. Subtract a second. That's never been done before, and the engineers who run global computer infrastructure are genuinely nervous about it. A negative leap second could cause software to crash, timestamps to go wrong, systems that assume time only moves forward to break in unpredictable ways. Some of the biggest technology companies in the world have publicly argued for scrapping the leap second system entirely, partly because of this exact problem. So here's where we are. The Earth is spinning in ways that surprise us. The planet's speed is influenced by its oceans, its atmosphere, its melting ice, and its molten core, all of which are themselves changing. And the clocks we built to measure all of this may not be flexible enough to keep up. A day isn't 24 hours. It never was exactly. And right now, it's shorter than it's been in all of recorded history. You just lived through it without noticing.